Hi, in my previous video, I have covered question 1 to question 5 of section 3 SAT 2018. In this video, we'll be solving together question number 6 to 10 of section 3 SAT 2018. So let us go to question number 6. The line L is shown in the xy plane above. Which of the following is an equation of line L? Now, to solve this kind of question, quickly pick up any one point that lie on the line. Let us take this point here, which is nothing but our y-intercept. Since it's lying on the y-axis, x is 0 and the y is 3, 1, 2 and 3. So let us substitute the point 0, 3 in the first line. When we substitute x as 0 and y as 3, what do we get? 6. And the right hand side is also equal to 6. So our equation is getting satisfied. If we see in all other cases, the equation doesn't get satisfied. If you put it in the second equation, 2 into 0 minus 3 does not gives us 6, which is there on the right hand side. If you put it here, it is 6 into 0 plus 3 into 3, which is not equal to 0, which is on the right hand side. And the same is with this equation also. And please remember, the last two equations are of the form y is equal to kx. So these two equations anyways pass through the origin. So that choice is anyways ruled out. So let us go to question number 7. Here a table of values is given. When x is 1, fx is a, x is 2, fx is b, x is 3, fx is c. For the function f, the table above shows some values of x and their corresponding values of fx in terms of the constants a, b and c. If a is lesser than b and lesser than c, which of the following could not be a graph of y is equal to fx in the xy plane? So we have to figure out that graph which can't be the graph of this given function. Now let us look at this table. What do we see? That x is 1, x is 2, x is 3, and we see that the value of fx is increasing. Correct? At 1 it was a, at 2 it became b, b is greater than a, at 3 it became c. So it's definitely an increasing function. So what do we see? This is increasing function from x is equal to 1 to 3. This is increasing function for x is equal to 1 to 3, and this is also an increasing function from x is equal to 1 to 3. So these can be the possible answers, but this choice is not our answer, and hence which of the following could not be the graph of fx? So our answer is choice B. I hope this is clear. Please look at the values given and decide whether your function will be an increasing or a decreasing function. Let us move on to question 8. If 3x minus 6y is equal to 9z, which of the following expression is equivalent to x square minus 4xy plus 4y square? Now what do we see here? This is nothing but x minus 2y whole square. We know a minus b whole square, correct? It is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So on the same line, x minus 2y whole square will give us this expression. Now we need the value of this expression, means somehow whatever is given to us, we need to get the value of x minus 2y from there. So we have 3x minus 6y as 9z. We can take out a 3 common, so we get x minus 2y, which is what we wanted. So from here, x minus 2y will be 9 by 3z, which is nothing but 3z. And what value do we want to find out? We want to find out x minus 2y's whole square, which is nothing but 3z whole square, which is 9z square, and hence the answer is choice C. Good. Let us go ahead. Next question, question number 9. You can try pausing the video and solving the question yourself and then checking the answer with me. X square minus 4x plus 2 is equal to 0. Which of the following is a solution to the equation above? Okay, we know the quadratic formula. What is our quadratic formula? X is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Whenever our equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, then the value of x is figured out by the quadratic formula like this. So in our question, we see that what is our A? A is 1, B is -4 and C is +2. So what should be x equal to? Negative B, so negative of -4 plus minus square root of -4 square minus 4 into A into C whole over 2 into A, which is 1. Now we don't have to simplify this expression. So from here, x is nothing but 4 plus minus square root of 16 minus 8 over 2. This can be 4 plus minus square root of 8 is nothing but 2 root 2, correct? Root of 8 is 2 root 2, and now we can separate this 2 to each term in the numerator. So we get 2 plus minus root of 2. So x can be 2 plus root 2, which is one of the valid values. X can either be 2 plus root 2 or x can be 2 minus root 2. So one of the solution of the above equation is x is equal to 2 plus root 2. Whenever you see a square root in the solution, you should be clear that you have to check it by applying the quadratic formula. I hope this question is very clear to everyone. Question number 10th. The function above can be used to estimate the number of farms f of n in millions in the United States, where n is the number of years after 1940. Which of the following is the best interpretation of the number 5.77 in this context? Let us write this down. So f of n is equal to 5.77, 0.98 to the power of n. And what is n? N is how many years have happened after 1940. So they want us the interpretation of 5.77. When will our f of n become 5.77? It will become 5.77 when n is 0. Am I right? When we substitute n as 0, so f of 0 is 5.77 into 0.98 to the power of 0. Anything raised to the power 0 is 1. Correct? So this is our actually the initial value when n is 0 at the beginning in 1940. Correct? So the correct answer is the estimated number of farms in millions in 1940. In 1940, whatever we have is our initial value of the function when n is 0. So the correct choice is choice A. Okay, so I hope this question 5 to question 10 is very clear to everyone. In my next video, I'll cover the next 5 questions of the same SAT paper. If you have any doubts, you can send me an email at kirti.mathacademy@gmail.com. This is my YouTube channel, Mathacademy. If you've liked my videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.